Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a foggy background effect using masks in CapCut PC. Let's start by dragging the video clip into the timeline. Next, duplicate a copy and overlay it on the top layer. Click on the overlay layer, go to Remove BG, and click on Auto Removal to delete the background. Then, navigate to the stock materials and drag the white clip between the two video layers. Adjust the duration of the white clip to match the video by going to Speed. Now, go to Video Mask and choose Mirror. You can adjust the position and size as needed. Set Feather to 100 to achieve a foggy effect. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.